Can never be forgotten. Can never. Ní ìran tó wà lẹ́yìn àti ìran tó tún máa dé ànígbàgbé yín dájú.
Láṣẹ ìdùnnú rẹ̀.
Wọ́n tó fi Tinubu ṣe.
Èmi ti gba tèmi o, wọ́n náà wá gba tiẹ̀ o.
Wọ́n máa gẹ̀ẹ́tì ọ̀rọ̀ náà. Àwọn ti gba tiwa o, wọ́n máa gẹ̀ẹ́tì ọ̀rọ̀ fast.
Ẹ ṣe gan ni dáàbì.
Okay.
Okay.
It was written in Adebanji. Written in the English and
what is called
Adebanji.
alphabet.
Alphabet, yes, primitive Yoruba alphabet.
Country we will sit down and create that Russia and alphabet.
Into one bed. Bed. China need to one. Yoruba need to one. Oh yeah. What do you call one in Benin? Yes, government approved it. They are teaching in school. Yes. Àwọn ọmọ wọn kà.
Really?
Ó wá ń ṣe graduation school yìí gan.
Yes.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo mọ Yorùbá tí a ti sì wá ṣe graduation lù yìí.
Èmi náà wà ní school wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ mo jáde ni.
Padà síbẹ̀ mo lọ
So you can be our teacher.
Kódà gan oníjọ́ yẹn gan ọmọ yẹn wà látọ̀ṣọ́ state ìjọ ẹ̀ kó wa represent governor fún graduation yẹn. Yes. They all knew it.
Wow. No, we are an ancient people, an ancient civilization. Èèyàn kan ló ń kọ́ obìnrin kan wá gbùgbù láti Europe láti wá dayé wa rú. Àwa náà nígbà àgbàrá olóhùn onílé wò.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Ẹ ṣe gan dẹ́nu.
All right.
Ẹ ṣe gan dẹ́nu. Bàbá, kí la wá ń ṣe nǹkan tá à ń ṣe nìwọ̀nyí o. It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
And it's a lot of expense. It's a lot of traveling and so on. But bá ń ṣe ń ṣe ní tó máa fi dá nígbà tó bá yá. Tá a bá ṣe gbùrùgbùrùgbùrù tá a lọ pariwo Ìbàdàn kàgbé síta ká máa pariwo pé àdúgbò country wá jíjẹ kìnìún kan. It doesn't amount to anything. All you are doing is creating trouble. You are creating conflict with the government of Nigeria. And we have no business with conflict with the government of Nigeria. We want to take our country peacefully. It is our legal right. It's our legal right. A whole lot of international laws and conventions are such that every nation in the world has a right to self-determination. And that by virtue of that right, you can decide that whenever you want what your status in the world will be. Our Yoruba to decide about our status here, our African country, we're just a country.
Yeah.
We are no longer part of Nigeria. We don't want to be part of Nigeria. We have decided that our status will be one of the states as one of the states that will soon be member of the United Nations Organization. The laws of the international community allow it. Even the laws of Nigeria, I can also put international laws of Nigeria also. Why? Because global laws stand in the United Nations, the African Union, and Nigeria is a signatory to that. And in every case, the Nigerian government will take it from abroad after signing it and bring it to the National Assembly. National Assembly approves it, and you're not supposed to domesticate the law. Domesticate the law, make it your property. So is also Nigeria's property. Ìdí ẹ̀ nìyẹn ńgbà tí àwọn tó lọ àtàkì ilé Sunday Igboho lóru wọ́n sọ pé níwájú adájọ́ ní court nígbàdàn wọ́n sọ pé reason táwọn fi lọ ṣe ni pé Sunday Igboho fẹ́ self determination fún Yorùbá nation fẹ́ separation Yorùbá nation out of Nigeria. Adájọ́ dáwọn lóhùn pé but pé àwa self determination fún nation out of Nigeria is not a criminal offence under the laws of Nigeria. It's not. You cannot persecute anybody because of it. Olùmọ̀ṣẹ́ ń sọ lálẹ́ ìjẹta ní program kan pé ọlọ́pàá kankan máa mẹ́sà ara wọn. Gbogbo ilé ìta ti ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ àti ṣe ṣẹ́ wa ní pẹ̀lẹ́ kùtù. Tó bá dójú ẹ̀ tó bá di wípé ẹnìkan wá lọ kó àwọn kan jọ wọ́n ní wọ́n jẹ́ ọlọ́pàá àbí wọ́n jẹ́ sójà àbí wọ́n jẹ́ pé kán lọ máa mú àwọn ọmọ wa torí pé wọ́n ń pariwo Yorùbá nation now. Àbí wọ́n gbé flag Yorùbá dání àbí wọ́n wọ t-shirt Yorùbá àbí wọ́n yẹ̀yàn kan bá. We will take the person to the most important criminal court in the world. Even if your position is that of a small police officer in the Nigerian police force, yeah, we will take you to the highest court because we want to show that when you get into big trouble, àwọn yòókù àmọ́ káṣọ́ra àwọn arábí òṣè kọlù. Àwọn arábí òṣè kọlù. We want our country peacefully, and by the grace of God, we shall soon get it peacefully. Àwọn ọmọ kankan pa Nàìjíríà, wọ́n ṣe politics o, wọ́n ṣe party o, wọ́n ṣe APC o, wọ́n ṣe PDP o, wọ́n ṣe Labour. Ìyẹn ò kàn wá mọ́. It has nothing to do with us. They are creating an coalition. Pé lórúkọ kan, àwọn kan ní cult ní kì í ṣe coalition. Ẹ̀bá àjẹ́ kóòtù, ẹ̀bá máa jẹ́ kóòtù. Has nothing to do with it. It has nothing to do with us. We have psychologically and spiritually left Nigeria. Àwọn nǹkan tó kù ká ṣe tá a máa lè walk away peacefully ni wọ́n tá à ń ṣe wọ̀nyí. Yeah, this is it. Jẹ́ kí n mú wo ilé ìkúrò náà.
Ṣé kí bàbá wa ò ṣe rí?
This is it.
God bless you, Banish. Wow.
This is it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Those who are looking, this is the next time for Agbola when he
Nígbà tí Agbola wọlé lánàá àbí jẹta, stamp gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì lọ́kẹ̀.
Ṣé ti gbé kò ṣe ṣeré? Mi kò fẹ́ gbé súnmọ́ nítorí social media ọ̀láìkì kan bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
That's it.
Very good.
So, okay, Jenny, we are going little by little. We are going steadily out here and encounter any obstacle anywhere in the world. Our Yoruba, we have never encountered any obstacle anywhere in the world. When United Kingdom, United Kingdom suspend the visas for Nigeria. United States the same thing.
Canada,
UK,
Dubai,
Canada.
Canada,
UAR, United Arab
Africa,
United Arab Emirates. That is Dubai. Tí gbogbo yín máa ń sá lọ, wọ́n ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ lè dúró ń bẹ̀ mọ́.
Kẹ́ ẹ̀ lè gbàgbé kọjá mọ́. Transit.
Ilé ìjọ ẹ̀fẹ́ lọ sí Europe tẹ́ ẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ lọ sí Dubai lọ ló bí ijọ́ mẹ́ta mẹ́rin márùn-ún ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní ìyẹn ò sí mọ́, wọ́n ti cancel ẹ̀.
Wọ́n ti ń gbé info lọ fún àwọn
Fẹ́ rí yín rárá.
So being a Nigerian is becoming a major liability in the world. A major obstacle in the world. Tàwa Yorùbá ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Tàwa Yorùbá ò lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀ láéláé because we will be a well-organized, well-managed, well-governed country that competes competes with the best in the world for progress and prosperity. That's all. So congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you to all of you who did this work. God bless you.
Àwọn bíi mẹ́ta wọ́n fẹ́ béèrè ìbéèrè.
Àwọn tó ń wò yìí sà, wọ́n bí àwọn ìbéèrè kan sà. Alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ nú ìbéèrè yẹn ni wípé wọ́n ní kí lẹ lè sọ sí nǹkan tí Donald Trump sọ lánàá pé wọ́n fẹ́ kó gbogbo ẹlẹ́wọ̀n tó wà l'Amẹ́ríkà kó fẹ́ kó wọn wá sí prison kìíní Nàìjíríà. Ìyẹn alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ sà. Ẹlẹ́kejì.
Reputation Nigeria in the world nìyẹn.
Nàìjíríà wà lóhùn.
Oh my God.
Ebi tá a wà tí Nigeria wà in the world nìyẹn.
Criminal ni wá ní ìdíwọ́. Ẹlẹ́kejì sà, àwọn kan tún sọ̀kọ̀ kan wọ́n ní inú àwọn dùn ayọ̀ àwọn kún pẹ̀lú kan táwọn rí. Wọ́n náà fẹ́ wá béèrè pé ṣé bá ṣe ń ṣe kínní ìbọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ táriwo lọ́tún táwọn that we have a lot of wrong people in our midst. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ compare sí ṣé èsì ìpè yín ju àtẹ̀yìnwá lọ sà. Ìsìtẹ̀wá ṣe silent ṣó pè yín jùgbà tí.
We will establish postal system for every rural community. We will even establish rural bank for every rural community. So that àwọn ọmọ tó bá lọ sí school ní rural community yẹn wọ́n nídìí láti sá kúrò lé kán máa bọ̀ ní Ìbàdàn bí Èkó àbí Kaduna urban areas. Ilé wọn comfortable fún wọn. Then àwọn ló máa wá lo education wọn láti develop area yẹn including agriculture whatever. That was the plan. But àwọn ọ̀gá wa tó jẹ́ àwọn ọ̀gá wa ní secret àwọn British wọn ò fẹ́. Wọn ò fẹ́. So àwọn náà sọ pé Yorùbá man Ọbásanjọ́ lè swear another Yorùbá man as ruler of Nigeria after Ọbásanjọ́. That is it. Don't believe the election 1979. So ó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. We are a different sort of people. A kì í ṣe ara Nàìjíríà. Ó yẹ ká ti kó wa mọ́ra láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Aláàfin ló sọ. Aláàfin wa bàbá wa Adéyẹmí. Làbídì Adéyẹmí. Ìjọ tí wọ́n pè mí pé kí n wà. Pé bàbá pòfẹ́sọ̀. Ní àtẹ̀yìn ọmọ yín ní bọ́ọ̀lù lákàrẹ́ pẹ̀tẹ́ nígbàdàn lánàá. Mo ń wo fọ́tò mi. Ẹlẹ́yìn wá self-determination fún Yorùbá people Afẹ́ká kúrò Nàìjíríà. Òun ò believe pé òun máa rí lóru ẹni àwọn tó máa sọrú ẹ̀ láyé òun tó kúrò Nàìjíríà tó kúrò láyé. Òun ò believe. Now you are saying it. Àwọn ọmọ wọn gbogbo dẹ̀ bá yẹn lẹ́yìn. Kò yẹ ká ti kó wa mọ́ Nàìjíríà láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. That's our father. Làbídì Adéyẹmí. Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́. Kò yẹ ká ti kó àwa Yorùbá mọ́ Nàìjíríà láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. That's the sentence from his communication with me. So that is it. We ought never to have been included in Nigeria. There's no reason for it. Because we are already a nation. We are already a people. Yeah, and added now what we clear. But if we go other peoples in Africa, in South education, what is that? I think produce a university graduate by 1860. Yeah. The first newspaper published on the whole of the African continent was published in Abeokuta in 1859.
1859.
Yeah. Yes. So really, they diverted our course away from Ọlọ́run fún wa. Wọ́n á gbé àwọn oníkìní kan tó jẹ́ Nàìjíríà. Nigeria has been bringing us down steadily. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà àwọn èèyàn wa mọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n rí nǹkan jẹ ń bẹ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tí poverty bá ti dé kò sí ẹni tó bá fún yàn ní nǹkan díẹ̀díẹ̀ yàn.
Ọmọ àlè ní poverty.
Tẹ́lẹ̀ bá jẹ ojú máa tì.
Ọmọ àlè lé bí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. So
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Finally, before that, I go on the question of our Mofin. Can you state the legal backing of this? It's simple: international law section 1 and international law section 1 subsection 2 and international law section 3. The international section 1 talks about the human rights. Section 1 talks about equality before the law. Ibikíbi tí ọmọ ènìyàn bá wà, tí ọmọ ènìyàn míì, tó bá ti jẹ́ ọmọ ènìyàn, ó lórí ó lápá lẹ́sẹ̀ tó ti jẹ́ ọmọ ènìyàn, you should respect the person. Now, section 2 talk about immunity. Wípé ẹ fi ọ̀wọ̀ fún, tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ ènìyàn, ẹ fi ọ̀wọ̀ fún, ọ̀wọ̀ fúnra yín. Then section 3 talks about self-determination. Ó lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti sọ wípé ìlú báyìí ni mo jẹ́, àrùkọ báyìí ni mi. So that's coming out, knowing that Yoruba is in Nigeria or Southwest Nigeria. Self-determination section 3 says you have the right to say I'm a Yoruba. That's then
the declaration of
your statutory declaration. Yes,
says that you have a right, not your self-determination. Your right of self-determination is yours.
Yes.
Ẹnì kankan tó fún ẹ.
Abínibí ni.
Lẹ́ni tó lè gbà á lọ́wọ́ ẹ.
Abínibí ni ó yàtọ̀ sí ability.
And because of that right of self-determination, ó lè decide the country bóyá fẹ́ gbà ní country yà bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. It's already there. Àwọn ìjọba wa náà fẹ́ máa lo agídí kan bí o. I don't see Nigeria is bringing everybody down into poverty, into insecurity, and so on. And yet, what we want to do is to keep all of us there. So,
for their own selfish interests.
You go to a pass every interest. You want, I won't go. I don't want more. But
they are just acting a script. Yeah.
Tinubu, there is a media yesterday. Tinubu is speaking in an international organization meeting that they go. 2 representatives at his back. We move their head.
Yes, at Brazil.
We were saying about the name. So when you're
you saw it to normal now. You watch camera live.
What disrespect to
Nigeria has become an absurdity. Nigeria has become an absurdity.
Daddy.
Congratulations.
All right. Yes. Congratulations. All right. Ọmọ ọdẹ ń kó káà tó bẹ́tà ju tòun. Pé trọ́bù ti dé o. Tó bá jẹ́ bá ṣe fẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn. Àwọn àdùgbà àpadà sí dẹ́sàtì ìlú wa. Àpadà sí dọ́ǹkì wa. Tó bá yá. Torí epo ìyá tán ní dọ́kàn pé òtún ẹ̀dẹ̀ tán. Àti establish a tradition tí a ní máa fi lo owó epo yẹn ní dáadáa. Yeah. So, àwọn leaders ló kó wá DCC yẹn. Orúkọ ọ̀gbẹ́ni náà Maktoum mọ̀. Yeah, Maktoum. Àwọn yòókù leader wọn á ṣe pàdé. Poor people ni wọ́n ní kó bí o. Àìdẹ́sà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ. Ní kankan o. Epo ìbáyìí wọ́n wá ní àlékò ẹ̀jẹ̀ àlò o. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ àlò ká fi build country wa. Bó ṣe máa rí 1,000 years from now. Ká jókòó ká plan ẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ decide pé irú business wo la lè ṣe. Nílẹ̀ sọ pé agriculture. So àwọn nǹkan tá a lè ṣe ni one, international financial business. We can dá bank sílẹ̀ tó lè transfer owó káàkiri ayé and so on. Another business a lè ṣe ni tourism.
Yeah.
And another business a lè ṣe ni real estate. Àkọlé tó dáa táwọn èèyàn wá máa ṣe and so on. Ká hotel tó gbáyì táwọn èèyàn fẹ́ wá lọ táìmù bẹ́ẹ̀ and so on. That is all. Nǹkan táwa lè ṣe nìyẹn o, àwa ò lè sọ pé à ń lọ sóko, à ń lọ dá industry sílẹ̀, lágbára irú wọ̀nyẹn. Nǹkan tá a máa ṣe nìyẹn tó wá fi wá tá a fi lè máa tọ́jú àwọn èèyàn wa. Ìdè pé every politician àti olówó rárá o.
it is for the people. Irú nǹkan tí ṣe bàbá wa ṣe Fàwúlọ̀ fẹ́ ṣe ní 1979 nìyẹn. Wọ́n fi dá UPM sílẹ̀. Free education for all Nigerian children. High quality health service. Free health service for certain categories of Nigerian citizens. Kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ arúgbó, kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ pé mo mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ mo máa ń sábú, mo máa ń Fúlàní bú, mo máa that's nothing to do. Ẹ̀rí nínú ìwé tá a kọ́ nígbà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà.
Ẹ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ pé we are not going to be fighting anybody or abusing anybody or insulting anybody. No. The only reason we are fighting the Fulani in the bush, kankan ni pé wọ́n wá, wọ́n yọ wá lẹ́nu. Otherwise, no problem for the Fulani.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
That's it. Tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n kàn wá da màlúù wọn bá ṣe dà láéláé tí màlúù bá fẹ́ wọ ọkọ̀ olóko kan lè kúrò nígbà kan má jẹ́ kó wọ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe nìyẹn. No Yorùbá man will be fighting the Fulani.
Okay,
That's
sir.
all.
Nǹkan tí wọ́n tún wá bí ẹ má bínú pé ìbéèrè wa pọ̀ sà. Wọ́n ní báwo lọkọ̀ yín ṣe balẹ̀ tó yìí pé ṣé ẹ ti mọ̀ pé kíní máa bọ́ sí i pé because you are just too comfortable with fighting for this freedom.
Wọ́n ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run.
Pẹ̀lú ẹ ti gbọ́ ìyára dé.
Ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. But God has raised some Yoruba people to the level that they can talk in the world. That's what we are putting now in the service of our own nation. That's all. And people like me are many among us Yoruba. Oh, yeah. We are many. Kì í ṣe gbogbo wọn ló lè jáde. Kì í ṣe gbogbo wọn lè pàdé kẹ́ni kan lọ pé wàá tó máa dá yín lóhùn. But there are many Yoruba people, decent, highly educated people who are fighting for the Yoruba nation under it. Yeah. Okay, Jenny.
Now you don't even hear their name.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó wà ní I understand. The reason is that Nigeria built a particular kind of culture. Nigeria built a particular. Nígbà tó owó epo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wá ní 1970s. Nǹkan tó yẹ kí Nigeria ṣe ni pé kí àwọn leaders wá ṣe ni pé can take a decision, serious decision. But this money that is flowing in now from this oil will be used to develop Nigeria, to improve the quality of the lives of Nigeria. So, kí làwọn project tá a máa ṣe to achieve that purpose? Free education,
Healthcare,
high quality healthcare, high quality highways, and so on and so forth. So, nǹkan tá a fẹ́ fowó náà. Ní Dubai, just to give you an example of what I'm talking about. Ní Dubai, nígbà tí wọ́n bẹ̀ sí rékò náà bí tiwa ní 1970s. Kan lára àwọn leader wọn ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ àwọ̀. We are poor people in Dubai, we are desert people. Bàbá tó bí òun, donkey ló kù tí tó fi kú o. Donkey. Bàbá